Okay, so in this world just flooded with content,
Yeah.
getting someone's attention, well, that's the real currency, isn't it?
Absolutely. And great storytelling is still king.
Exactly. But what's fascinating and what our sources really highlight is that you don't need like a Hollywood budget anymore.
No, not at all.
So today we're doing a deep dive into what some are calling the AI filmmaking blueprint.
Yeah.
Basically, how you go from hook to conversion using these new tools. The power is kind of shifting right into your hands.
It really is. And the why behind using AI for filmmaking, it's, pretty compelling. It tackles those classic headaches,
Yeah.
short timelines, tight budgets,
Oh, yeah.
and just staring at a blank page, that creative block.
We've all been there.
Right. But this isn't about AI replacing you. It's more like it amplifies your creativity. Think of it as a co-writer, maybe an editor, a designer.
Even producer.
Yeah, even producer. It lets you focus on the story, the heart of it, while the AI helps build the structure around it.
Okay, so let's talk tools. The sources mention a few key ones.
Yeah.
ChatGPT, obviously. MidJourney for visuals.
Mm-hmm.
Kling for animation. 11 Labs for voiceovers. It sounds like you can generate quite a lot. Full scripts. Pixar-style visuals.
Pretty much. The capabilities are growing incredibly fast.
And one tool that stood out, almost like a secret weapon,
Yeah.
was this HypeJet GPT. You called it a Hollywood script doctor.
Huh. Yeah, maybe a bit dramatic. But it's effective. It's designed specifically for scripting.
So how does that work? Is it complicated?
Not really. You install it in ChatGPT, type start, and it just asks you, what's your goal? What tone are you going for? Who's your audience?
Simple enough.
And then, boom, it gives you a script framework, not just text, but structure.
Yeah.
A clear hook, that emotional drive, a solid payoff.
Do you give an example, like how it might structure something?
Sure. Say you want a short film, maybe about a struggling artist. HypeJet could outline a cold open showing, like real desperation,
Yeah.
then rising action where things get tougher.
Feed them the stakes.
Exactly. Then a climax with real emotional punch. And finally, an ending that feels, earned. Inspiring, maybe. And it's fast, it's flexible. Crucially, it's built with conversion, or maybe better put, engagement in mind. It optimizes for keeping viewers hooked.
Okay, that optimization part is interesting. But, a common mistake, AI or not, is trying to write for everyone.
Oh, definitely. Ends up pleasing no one.
Right. You have to know your audience, don't you? Like, really understand what they feel, what keeps them up at night, what gets them excited.
That's where AI, like ChatGPT or HypeJet, can be quite smart. You can actually train it or prompt it to write in the specific language of your audience.
And not just the topic, but the actual style.
Yeah. Like, imagine you're making something for, say, teenage creators on TikTok. That needs to be punchy, visual, super relatable, fast. HypeJet can help tailor the dialogue, the scene descriptions, everything to that specific vibe.
Gotcha. That makes sense. So nailing the audience leads us to the hook, right? Those first, 10 seconds?
Critical. Absolutely critical.
You've got to establish the hook, the goal, the stakes, like immediately. There was a great example in the sources. Something like, I have 72 hours to launch this project or I'm sleeping in my Honda.
Yeah, that's pretty vivid.
Right. Instant tension, clear problem, no messing around.
And that's the kind of thing HypeJet helps you craft. Then you take that script, those scene ideas.
And feed them into the other tools.
Exactly. MidJourney for the visuals, maybe Kling for an animated sequence, 11 Labs for a compelling voiceover. It becomes this integrated workflow. Much faster, much cheaper than the old ways.
No huge teams, no crazy expensive software needed.
Pretty much. It lowers the barrier significantly.
Okay, so you've hooked them, taken them on this journey.
Yeah.
What about the end? The payoff?
The payoff.
Ah.
So important. You owe the audience that resolution, right? It needs to feel earned. Joy, sadness, victory, some kind of transformation, whatever it is, it has to land.
And AI helps here too.
Well, one really powerful thing is testing variations. You can ask the AI, okay, give me 3 different endings. One hopeful, one tragic, maybe one with a twist.
Oh, interesting. So you can iterate on the feeling of the ending.
Precisely. To find the one that truly resonates, that sticks with people after they've watched it, that's how you make something memorable.
So wrapping this up, the big message seems to be empowerment. You don't need that film degree. You don't need 10 grand in the bank.
You just need the story, the vision.
Yeah, the AI can handle a lot of the heavy lifting, letting you focus on bringing that vision to life.
It really opens things up.
It definitely does. It makes you wonder, when these barriers keep falling, what kinds of stories are we going to see? What story might you listening right now decide to tell, going from just a blank page to, maybe something unforgettable using these tools?